As I'm speaking right now, we're already approaching 170 million COVID cases worldwide and more than 3 million deaths. The numbers are continuing to rise every single day. You might have lost a loved one, or perhaps you know someone who has. We're at that 1.5 years mark of living with the COVID-19 pandemic, and it has been extremely tough for everybody. The fact is, this pandemic won't be going away anytime soon, as we have been hoping for. Some of you might have already contracted it and has recovered, or is still recovering from it. If you haven't contracted it, I hope you will still find this video useful to share it with your family and friends. The symptoms and recovery process is different for everybody. Some might only experience mild symptoms, whereas for some, it's more severe. This video is meant to offer you a basic guideline on how you can get back into exercising after COVID for those who have had mild to moderate symptoms. Remember, if you're in doubt, you should always refer to a healthcare professional for advice. It is very normal to feel tired, weak, or short of breath when you are recovering from COVID-19. This may last for 6 to 8 weeks or even longer for some. But that doesn't mean you should remain inactive. Being active can help you to recover quicker. For athletes or those who used to have a very active lifestyle, it is important to remind yourself to start slow and avoid competing with your pre-COVID self. Yes, you will see a drop in your endurance and strength. I understand that it can be very frustrating, but this is a virus that affects major parts of the body. Even if you had only mild symptoms, you should still wait until you have at least 7 days with no symptoms before returning to exercise. So let's look at a simple 4-step approach to help you get back into exercising and what you should do on a week-to-week basis. The first phase, or week 1, is to start with very light intensity activities. Start at just 50% of your normal intensity. Start with light walks, stationary biking, yoga, Pilates, or low-intensity bodyweight strength and conditioning training. Keep the duration of your exercise under 15 minutes. Here are some exercises on my YouTube channel which you can follow. All the links will be in my description box below. So this phase is to ease you slowly back into exercising without putting too much strain on your body. If you do experience chest pain, headache, dizziness, shortness of breath, or rapid breathing, then you need to ease back and take it down a notch by reducing your workout time or reduce the intensity even more. As you move into phase 2 or week 2, you can start to increase the workout duration to 15 to 30 minutes. You can still continue with the activities from phase 1, but increase the workout duration and intensity slightly more. So at this phase, you should be able to hold a full conversation without difficulty when performing light intensity exercises. So here are some exercises on my YouTube channel which you can follow as well. Again, I've created a playlist and all the links will be in my description box below. Now that you have been active for 2 weeks and slowly regained your stamina, in phase 3 or week 3, you can start to increase the workout intensity to 75% of your pre-COVID fitness. This is where you can include weight training and circuit training. So start by performing slightly more intense exercises with a block of recovery and include 2 to 3 times of weightlifting to build your strength and muscle mass. You can also start to increase your workout duration from 30 to 45 minutes. Once again, you can follow the home workout videos on my YouTube channel right here. As we enter into the final phase, which is week 4, this should challenge your coordination, strength, and also endurance. In this phase, it can be a mixture of bodyweight exercises, circuit training, and weight lifting. If you are feeling that you're back to your usual self, you can increase the workout intensity even more and workout duration from 45 to 60 minutes. I've included some slightly more intense workouts which you can check it out right here on my YouTube channel. After the entire 4 weeks, if you feel that you have fully recovered, then you can resume back to your usual workout routine. However, it is still very important for you to monitor yourself after each workout session. If there is abnormal breathlessness, abnormal heart rate, excessive fatigue or chest pain, it is very important for you to stop any activities or ease up and seek advice from a healthcare professional. While exercising is important for your health and recovery journey, it is also essential to avoid pushing yourself too far. Doing so could slow down your recovery or cause your symptoms to worsen by increasing the levels of inflammation in the body. So, listen to your body, take it slow, and follow these 4 phases by gradually reintroducing exercise into your routine. In most countries, fitness centers are still shut, and some countries might not allow outdoor activities to stop the spread of COVID-19. So I hope that my home-based workout videos will continue to keep you active and healthy at home and help you through your recovery process. All the links mentioned in this video will be in my description box below. And if you find this video to be useful, do give this video a thumbs up, share it on with your family members and friends, and let's fight together to stop the spread of COVID-19. Do also check out other fitness videos on my YouTube channel and also a lot of healthy recipes. And I will see you next time. Stay safe.